Hello children. Today we are going to start our first lesson, Solar System and Earth. Before starting the chapter, I would like to ask you some question. Can you name the space where we can find stars, planets and other heavenly bodies? Answer to this question is we can find all these heavenly bodies, stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies in the universe. So, what is this universe? The universe is a vast space that consists of stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies. All that physically exist, that is, matter, energy, and space, is the universe, and it is very vast. It has several stars, and universe means the space all around us and what it contains as far as we can see and think. So, this space is very vast or endless. Now, how this universe was formed? The theory named Big Bang theory explains the formation of the universe billions of years ago. When a big explosion occurred in space, this explosion created a huge fireball which spread out in space. As the fireball cooled slowly, tiny particles formed. Over time, these particles came close together and formed heavenly bodies. This idea about the formation of the universe is known as the Big Bang theory. Our universe has billions of galaxies. What is a galaxy? A galaxy is a large group or cluster of stars, gas, dust, and other heavenly bodies. Stars. Now, what is a star? Stars are heavenly bodies which shine like our sun. Many shine brightly, the others have a dim glow. Some are red while others are blue. Stars are giant balls of gas made of hydrogen bound together by their own force of gravity. So, this star is a huge ball of hot burning gases with heat and light of its own. Stars are far away from us, and that is why they appear like dots in the sky. A group of stars that appear to form a pattern in the sky is called a constellation. For example, the group of stars that forms the shape of a small bear is called Ursa Minor. The solar system. Now, what is this solar system? Our solar system is the family of the sun. It is a part of galaxy called the Milky Way or Akash Ganga. So a solar or a planetary system consists of a star around which planets revolve, and that star is sun, which is at the center of the solar system, and all the planets revolve around the sun. There are 8 planets which move around the sun at different distances. So, our solar system, it consists of sun, 8 planets, natural satellites, asteroids, comets and meteors. The sun. The sun is also a star. It is a huge ball of burning gases and lies at the center of the solar system. It is the only source of heat and light in the solar system. The sun is The light from the sun takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the earth, and sun is also made of hydrogen like stars. It is made up of hydrogen and helium. There would be no life on Earth without the heat and light it receives from the sun. Planets. We have 8 planets in our solar system, and these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, lie in the inner of the solar system, and they are known as inner planets. They are small and made of rocks and metals. They are known as terrestrial planets, and these planets, they do not have rings around them. The last 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, lie in the outer solar system and are known as outer planets. They are very big in size and are made of gases. They are known as gas giants. They have rings around them. Planets have no light of their own. They get heat and light from the sun. They revolve around the sun in their fixed paths called orbits. And this movement of planets is called revolution. These planets also spin on an imaginary line called axis. And this movement is called rotation. Natural satellites. A natural satellite is a heavenly body that moves around a planet. Natural satellites do not have their own light, they get heat and light from the sun. They vary in size and numbers. For example, our Earth has only one natural satellite known as the Moon, while Mars has 2 natural satellites known as Deimos and Phobos. Asteroids, comets, and meteors. Now, what are these asteroids, comets, and meteors? Asteroids are small heavenly bodies which move around the sun like the planets. Thus, they are also called planetoids. Most of them go around the sun in the asteroid belt. Now, what is this asteroid belt? The asteroid belt is the space between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. In this area, billions of small rocky heavenly objects revolve around the sun, which are known as asteroids. These asteroids are made up of broken rocks or are believed to be the broken rocks of an exploded planet that revolve around the sun. Comets. A comet is an icy, small solar system body that, when passing close to the sun, warms and begins to release gases. And these are made up of gas, rocks, and dust, and also revolve around the sun. And these comets, they develop a long tail when they come near the sun. Astronomers also call it a dirty snowball. Halley's Comet has been sighted many times in the sky. It shines brightly and can be seen with the naked eyes when it is very close to the Earth. The last time this natural spectacle was seen in 1986. The comet is named after Edmund Halley. Meteors. Meteors are called shooting stars. However, they are not stars. They are pieces of rocks that enter Earth's atmosphere from space at a great speed. The Earth, a living planet. We all live on the Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the only planet in the solar system on which life exists. There is life on the Earth because it has air which plants and animals need. It has water in the liquid form. It is at the right distance from the sun, which makes it neither too hot nor too cold. and Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. Air is a mixture of gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Oxygen is used by plants and animals to breathe, carbon dioxide to make food, and water vapor is needed for rain clouds. Atmosphere acts as a blanket that traps heat, and this does not let the earth become too cold at night. Surface of the earth. Our earth's surface is made up of land and water. Nearly three-fourths of the surface of earth is covered with water, while the remaining part is covered by land. Due to the presence of a large amount of water, Earth appears blue when seen from space, so it is also called the blue planet. Earth has seven very large pieces of land known as the continents. These are Asia, North America, South America, Africa, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Earth has five huge bodies of water known as the oceans. These are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Movements of the Earth. There are the two movements of the Earth, rotation and revolution. The movement of the Earth on its own axis is known as rotation. Earth rotates about its axis once each day, approximately 24 hours, and rotation of Earth causes day and night. Revolution of the Earth. The movement of Earth around the Sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. The time taken by Earth to complete one revolution is 365 1 by 4 days. The revolution of Earth causes seasons. The four seasons are winter, spring, summer, and autumn, and these seasons are the result of the revolution. Before ending this chapter, I would like to share some facts about the planets with you. The planets of the solar system were named after the Roman gods. However, their satellites were named after the Greek gods. Venus rotates in a direction opposite to that of the Earth. Mars appears red in the sky, thus, it is also called the red planet. That's all about this chapter. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thanks for watching.